Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how can you fix software update failed. So as if you're facing this problem and you are unable to download and install the latest version of software in your device, here I will show you how can you fix it. So I first of all go back to your home screen, and here I will give you some possible solutions that will help you to fix this problem. So guys, the very first solution to fix this problem is that make sure that your internet connection is working properly. So guys, if your internet connection is working properly but still you are facing this problem, then change your internet connection. So guys, if you're using Wi-Fi, then use your mobile data, and if you are using mobile data, then try your Wi-Fi and check if the problem is fixed or not. And if you're still facing this problem, then go for the next solution, that is you have to reset network settings in your device. So for that, open the settings and scroll it below, tap on general, scroll it below and tap on transfer or reset, and tap on reset and reset network settings of your device. So after this, check if the problem is fixed or not and go for the next solution if it doesn't work. So guys, the next solution is that you have to make it sure that there is no connected VPN in your device. So I tap on general again, scroll it below and tap on VPN and device management. So as if there is any connected VPN, simply disconnect it, and after this go for the final solution, that is you have to force restart your device for one time. So for that, simply press and release the volume up button and then down, and keep holding the power button until your device force restarts. So simply force restart the device, and after this hopefully your problem will be fixed. So that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.